that shirt.
Hey, Ricky, what's up?
Hey, Jenny, I can't find my nice shirt, and I'm going on a date tonight.
And you're looking for it in the kitchen?
Well, it's, mustard yellow.
Maybe Willie has seen it. Willie! Willie! Willie!
That's it. It's over. I'm never gonna land this date.
Land it? She's not an airplane, is she?
Well, she did have an airplane emoji on her dating page.
Shut that dog up.
She's not a dog, stupid. How many times do I have to tell you?
Whatever. She smells bad like a foul, smelly, stinking, rancid dog.
Don't listen to him. You smell great. Go get him.
What? You motherfucker!
Hi. Ricky, is this your Dijon-colored shirt?
Yeah, that is indeed mine.
Oh, is it okay if I borrow it tonight?
Stop! You're gonna make it ketchup red.